Hello folks and welcome. So in this video I'm going to be showing NVIDIA graphics driver information. If you have never installed the NVIDIA graphics driver and you just assumed that it would have installed the driver, and when you install Mint, you're mistaken. It installs the open source driver. But if you want to try to take advantage of the NVIDIA driver, I will show you how to do that. And at the same token, a lot of people don't realize this, another tool gets installed when you install the proprietary driver. So I'll be showing, I could show 3 ways of looking at driver information, but more importantly, I'm just going to show 2 of them today because the other one is in terminal. All right, filming in 1080, even though I'm in 4K, the subscription logo is in the corner, well over 600 videos and all kinds of things. Right click, panel bar. All right, so if you have never installed the driver, it's located in here. Remember, it doesn't do this by default. The open source driver is plenty good for most people. However, if you want to take advantage of the driver itself, you just make sure that you pick the appropriate one, and it's generally recommended if you have an NVIDIA card, that'll appear here. So if you have never done this, your open source Nouveau driver will be clicked, and there'll be no proprietary drivers in use. It doesn't cost you anything if you've never done this. So if I wanted to take advantage of the latest driver, I would click that and hit apply. But I have this selection, that's the driver I'm running. And that's the current version number 2. Occasionally these things get updated also. So if you do this, go from the open source to proprietary, click apply changes. 3 or 4 minutes later, it's going to ask you to reboot the machine. And then after you reboot the machine, you'll have this icon appear on your menu. And my experience is it doesn't appear until you reboot. So what is in this NVIDIA settings, that's a single click by the way, is if you click in the center here, it'll tell you how much RAM your card has if you're ever wondering about that. Mine is fairly large, it's 12 gigabytes. I do other stuff on this machine. I also have very large hard drives on this. So in either case, there's a wealth of information here. There's also thermal settings and power miser and all that good stuff. Okay, wanted to point that out to you. Again, your icon will be installed after you install the proprietary driver, after a reboot. So open this box up after you install that and do a reboot, and you'll find that box there. System information is basic. You have the graphics card here. And then if you're running 22.3 Mint Cinnamon, then you'll have this information. Okay, it's got the driver version number here. If you're using OpenGL or ES and Vulkan, you can see all 3 are enabled, and video playback also. So basic information. All right, so again, I showed how to install the driver, and then again, look for that setting after you reboot. Thank you for watching.